Watch this video to see Hollywood vibes with my friend Victoria. I used the brand new Profoto adapter for the Profoto A2 as well as the A10, the Fresnel? I always feel like I mess up that name. You're also going to see an absolute fail by Photoshop Generative AI. Hey, it can't be perfect all the time. Check out this shoot from shoot to edit. So the vibe for this is like old Hollywood. We're using this light, which is like an old Hollywood light modifier, which makes it like that. And then it's going to be like a perfect circle around you. It's going to really look best in black and white. We're going to shoot it in color, but it will look best in black and white. I'm going to fine tune pose you for this, like very light, and this and there. And like it's going to be small movements, I like to say.
Okay.
That's better. Okay, you stay there. Now we turn on the background light. Very much so. Okay, so this is what we're going for. We use that backlight lighting up in the background. We're gonna really shape you out. And that's where that starts. So right where you are is perfect. You kind of have to like keep your head right there.
Okay.
Put one foot on there. So here, we're really, like it's really gonna end up shaping. That's more the light we're looking for. That looks fantastic. So stay there. This hand's gonna come up, more like just rest here. Keep your chin a little this way. Look at Rob. Smile there at him. Move your head a little bit more. Yes, yep. And then move your head a little bit more. Chin down. Good. And then turn your head that way. You know what? I think will look really nice. Put your feet down. Turn all the way this way. And then put a foot up and forward. Good. And we're gonna, like, little arch. Very, very pageant-y. Go back to where you were, here. Yes. This looks stunning. Turn your head more towards me. Your whole head. That's it. And then, but eyes still there, because that look good. Chin down and forward. That's it. Bring that leg a little bit back, right about there, and then maybe bring this hand there. Try on your wrist. Yeah. Oh, try this. That looks nice. Yes, because now, and a little bit lower. It's such like a boss pose. And then tilt your head the other. That's it. Hold that. Keep that head position. Just move your eyes this way. A little bit more. Keep your head there though. Breathe through your mouth. And then chin down because I'm coming lower. Almost lean towards me ever so slightly. And then turn your whole head towards me.
Like this?
Yep, and look down towards your hands. Ooh. However you want your feet to be, as long as one foot is up, you can kind of pick. But I'm thinking like going this way. Yeah. Sit up a little bit more. Yes, right there. Good. Look down every once in a while. And then back up at me. Oh, love it. So good.
Oh yeah, so Hollywoody. I like these. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
They'll look so good in black and white too. They'll be like
so cool.
Epic.
Before we get any further in this video, let me tell you about this video sponsor, Squarespace. This one was easy for me because I've been using Squarespace for over a decade and you can see it at vanessajoy.com. I decided to use Squarespace so long ago because it was, and still is, one of the easiest ways to make a website out there, hands down. Squarespace is a platform where you can create beautiful custom websites in just a few minutes. Choose from a plethora of templates where you can easily plug and play your own work. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. We all know that an online presence is crucial for your brand, so build one that stands out. Squarespace isn't just for creating a website, it's about making money. You can sell anything, products, the content you create, and even your time. Of course, as a website, Squarespace lets you create beautiful galleries to highlight your photography portfolio. But what you might not know is it also can host your video content too. In addition, it can help you monetize your art or your expertise by having online scheduling built right into your website to sell things like mentoring sessions or critiques. You can go so far as creating member areas or have an online store where people can buy your products. Head over to this link for my exclusive 10% discount on your first domain at Squarespace. Now back to the video.
This was such a fun shoot with my friend. I really just wanted to use that newer Profoto A2 adapter, the Fresnel or Fresnel, or I don't even know how to pronounce it. Anyway, yep, call me experienced for that one. Just write in the comments, that's where that goes. But it's a fun, really Hollywood looking hard light that creates a really fun look for the style that I was going for. I decided to pull these into Lightroom, edited with my presets using Grace Ormond, as well as some of my other fun ones. You can grab those at presets.breatheyourpassion.com, or of course in the link below. And then I really wish I had taken this into ePhoto. I feel like, to be honest, I recorded this a long time ago and ePhoto did not have the features that I would have used for this. So instead I went into Photoshop, used generative fill to get rid of the light stands, and, fill in some hair, and then of course, yeah, that's a hair comb, so sometimes it just gets it wrong. I basically just cleaned up the image a little bit, and then one of the fun things I did, aside from having that black and white look, there were a couple of photos that I really just loved messing around with the color of the light. And I did that in Lightroom, just pulling the HSL sliders around to get the look that I was going for. I hope you enjoyed watching this quick, short video, just of a fun little session that I decided to do while photographing my friend Victoria. Leave love, comments, and all of the things. Oh, and if you're asking about light power settings, I just TTL'd it, threw it into manual, and we were good to go. All right, see ya.